beautiful fart faces, it's me, Bev Diamond Paints, and today we're unbagging this new wax from a Canadian seller. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'd love to have you as part of my hive. I post new videos on a regular basis all about diamond painting wax, diamond painting tools, diamond painting accessories. Okay, let's get started. So I bought this from an Etsy seller. I don't remember her name, but I will put it in the description box and right here. Editing Beverly, add the name right here. So it comes in a pink envelope. Oh, here we can see there is a Etsy slip. So it is from a seller called MelCreationBoutique. Regular price for this was $12. There was a sale which took it down from, it took off $2.40, so I paid $9.50 for this and $4.75 Canadian shipping for an order total of $14.35 Canadian. So what it is it's her sampler pack, and there's 6 different flavors, it's different scents. Don't eat it, okay guys? Just don't eat it. It's not a good, you won't have a good time. Let me see if this light will help. Does that kind of help? I think so, sort of. So we have, okay, come on, get out of this bag. We have cerise. What is cerise? I think cerise is cherry. Can some of my franglais people help me out there? Francais, franglais, franglish. Lime. Oh, that smells, these smell really good. Then we have coconut. Let me do the smell test. That smells delicious. We have framboise, which is raspberry, I believe. Strawberry? Is it raspberry or strawberry? Another one that I need some French help with. I feel like I should know these things. Freesia. I don't know what freesia is. It smells kind of like laundry. I'm probably totally off, but whatever. Fruit de la passion fruit. I could get that one. That one was easy to translate. Oh, this one smells delicious. Again, do not eat these. These are for diamond painting only. So what we're going to do is we're going to test these out to let you guys know if it's worth buying. I will be right back, and I'm going to get a canvas out and put some wax in a pen. So I'm currently working on my Mary's Diamonds painting. It is Aqua Woman. You can find an unboxing of this on my channel. I will put a link in the description below. Here is a tray we can use. This is also from a Canadian seller. And let me find a pen. Do I have a pen? Okay, we can use this chunky pen just because it's right here. And self promo, hello, I made this. Available on my Etsy shop if they're not sold out. So I'm just going to remove the existing wax that I have in here. Okay, we have the majority of the old wax out, or all of it. So let us try, what should we try? Let's try coconut. I'm going to smell it again. Smell test. The smell's not too strong. So it is kind of a hard wax. I'm basically just scraping it and rotating my pen to get it into my pen. And then rubbing some off so there's no excess. And I'm going to scrape it again just to make sure we do get it filled enough. Okay, and then let's put some in our multi-placer, because multi-placing is what I do. That's a little difficult to get in there. I think I have a decent amount in there. No, I could probably put in a bit more. Oh my god! Okay, I think that's enough. It looks like there's enough wax in the multiplacer. Okay, let's test this Biznatch out. Biznatch. So we're trying coconut from Mel's Creation Boutique. We're going to be doing some single placing and some multi-placing with it. I want to know if it makes that satisfying snap sound. Or pop. Snap. Crackle pop. So we'll just get some on, these are squares if that matters to you. Ooh, already we have that popping sound. Oops. And just for your reference, I am a hard placer. Just a tiny bit of residue. So far, I really like this wax. Like, the residue isn't an issue to me, just because I will probably go over my canvas with a toothbrush after. I like that it does make the pop on some sound on some of the drills. Okay. So far, like, I like it. It seems to be staying, or the wax seems to be staying in the pen, and it does seem to be really tacky. I like that it is a harder wax. I'm not a big fan of really soft wax or anything like that, so now let's try it in the multi-placer. This is a 4-placer. Oop. I like it in this too. So I really like it for the single placer. I'm using it for the multi-placer, and as expected, there is some residue. But I don't worry too much about residue, because I will probably go over this with a toothbrush like I said earlier. And I like wax that I can use in both. So I like it when I can use it in the multi-placer and the single placer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep diamond painting, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
15 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I diamond painted for probably 15 to 20 minutes. Everything was fine. I didn't have to change the wax or anything like that. It was kind of consistent, just very little residue like how you guys saw when I was diamond painting. Nothing out of the ordinary. It was really great. I like this wax. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up if that matters. 2 thumbs up out of 2 thumbs because I only have 2 thumbs. So again, this wax is from MelCreationBoutique on Etsy. It costed me for 6 pieces of wax. I got it for $12 minus $2.40 because it was on sale. So I paid $9.60. Shipping was $4.75 to Canada, and so I paid $14.35 Canadian for these 6 things of wax, 6 little jars of wax. I like it. I'll put the link to the Etsy seller in the description below. Try it out if you get a chance. I mean, this was, I think, in my opinion, a really good deal for 6 waxes for $12. As of filming this video, her wax is still 20% off. She has a whole bunch of different scents on her in her Etsy shop. She also sells diamond paintings. I can't speak to the quality of her diamond paintings. She also has wax in tins. She makes some pens. She has keychains. She has shapes of wax. So if you don't like ones in jars, you like the little like molded wax, you can get those as well. Go check her shop out. Let me know what you think. Have you tried her wax before? What are your thoughts on it? And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. If you're new here and you appreciated this review, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my hive. And I post new videos on a regular basis all about diamond painting. So I'll talk to you guys later. Again, bye!